Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Utah and I'm here at Goblin Valley and I'm here with my family, and here's my family, everybody.
Hey everybody!
We're gonna go do Goblin Valley together and we're gonna take you with us. Let's go do it. Thanks everybody, bye-bye. This is where I'm at, Valley of the Goblins, and you can read it if you can see it all, but it certainly is amazing. Yeah. And the views are just incredible. Wow, wow. Wow. And the kids are in there somewhere. Let's go see if we can find them. Let's go get inside there. And it's certainly a big place. Wow, wow. A steep little hill. Do they look like goblins? Wow. Oh, I bet you could play some heck of a hide and go seek in here for sure, huh? Ugh. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Huh. And you're walking on dirt, and these are rock though, right? Because this used to all be covered with water at one point. Wow. Is that spectacular or what? Wow. Huh. Neat, 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 neat. Let's go see if we can find some kids and we'll walk through here as we go look. And then look along these cliffs. I mean, the rock formations are just amazing. Wow. Yeah, it almost could be like a, a different world almost, Huh. And the ground's really soft. Here, I'll pan through here really slowly. And it's a gorgeous day. Blue skies, no wind. And it's warming up nicely from snow this morning. Wow. Wow, wow. Let's see. If I were my kids, where would I go? I bet I'd go this way. Wow. Goblin Valley. Is this neat? And you can even see the snow on the ground in the shadows. Wow. Oh, there they are. All right. Before my son told me about this, I never had any idea this was here. Never even knew there was a place called Goblin Valley. Wow, wow. What's up, Miles? We get the place to ourselves. Wow. All right, smile, guys. Say hi, Miles. Pretty neat place, huh? Yeah. Is that Xavier on top of the rock? Yeah. Wow. And my son's got his camera out, same kind. Funny.
Well, and so how cool is this? Like, any other place like this, you'd have to stand behind the fence at the top.
I know.
Like, you could just look, don't touch. We are literally climbing on these things.
I know, isn't that crazy? You know what's interesting too, and I said it on the camera, is that this is like a different planet almost, you know?
Yeah, this is where they filmed an episode or a scene of Galaxy Quest.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so they have Tim Allen and Alan Rickman and all these famous Sigourney Weaver, all these people running around
here,
running away from a gigantic alien made
That's right.
out of these goblins.
Huh. Wow. This was a great suggestion, dog. Oh, it's amazing, and it looks so third world, you know. I mean, so different planet, you know. Say hi, Xavier. Hi. I think I'm gonna go this way and take a look. They look like little mushrooms. Or something else. But this is a public channel. Wow. Wow. Now I'm gonna have to go watch Galaxy Quest. Neat. What's up here? And Seth's right, you know, that you anywhere else there'd be a fence and you could look, but you couldn't play, you couldn't run around, you couldn't climb on top of, or wow, some of these are pretty tight. Oh. Whale Rock. Huh. Oop. Somebody else has a drone. Huh. Neat. Well, I have a few drone videos of this now too, so you can see what it looks like from above. Whew. Amazing. Wow. Oh, and look at the caves over there. Neat. I think there were some guys, I think it was this place, that knocked off a rock. And I think they got arrested and stuff, but neat. Wow. I guess we get down this way. And it's funny because the rocks looked the same color as the dirt. Look at the holes in the rocks up there. Neat. It's still cold. It's like 40 degrees. Well, should we go look in a cave? As long as no bear pops out, I guess we're okay, huh? Wow. That's pretty cool, huh? Really cool. Hi, guys! Here's a cave over here. Don't go in it. The kids are telling the adult not to go in it. Wow. Neat, neat. How you doing, Olivia? It's not really a big cave. Be careful, it's really slick. No dying allowed. Here, I'll take a picture of you. How's that? There you go. Who won? Wave. Very cool. Rowan won. Be careful, it's slick. Oop. I'm going to end up on my butt.
It's over here, but it's not very good.
Wow.
No.
Oh, here's more. I think they're erosion holes, huh? What's up, Xavier? Here, I'll get a picture of you. How's that? Wave. All three of you guys get up there. I'll take a picture of you.
The shape is so nice.
You better start to walk in there, dog. All right, come and stand near the opening and I'll get a picture of you guys.
Look at the sand.
I know, the whole thing's covered in sand, huh?
There's a cool little area over there that's like filled with sand.
All right, get together, guys. Throw Olivia in the middle. There you go. All right, everybody. Give me a wave. You okay, Miles? Wave. There you go. Very cool. Let me get another one here. There you go. Thanks, guys. I got a soda in my backpack. You can have a sip if you want.
Good for us, Grandpa.
Okay, come on.
Sure you can.
Don't slide. It's pretty slick. Whew. It's really a huge area, isn't it? Look at this wall. Here's another cave, maybe? Another slit over here. Look at all the snow, too. Does it go all the way through? Wow.
No. Just like a little pocket.
Yeah, I think that's a cave.
Maybe. I think there's just erosion holes, huh? Or caverns. You need some soda? Need a soda? It's Diet Dr. Pepper. Here you go. It's in the backpack. Help yourself. I brought Pop-Tarts too. Watch out, it might explode. No, you got to share. No, that's not sharing. Wow. Oh, he's up on that rock. Wow, that's cool. Wow, wow. Okay, jump. Really neat. Wow. Utah really is magnificent. Look at that mountain back there too. Catch me, little man. It goes in the pocket. Oop, Olivia. I thought you were Miles. Wow. You what?
I said I didn't even know where the boy went.
There's a lot of people over there too. Yeah, you really could have an amazing game of hide and seek, couldn't you? Wow. Huh. All right. Well, I think you get the gist of Goblin Valley. So, certainly neat. Huh. I will stop bending your ear and go play with those kids. Okay, everybody. Thanks so much for coming along, and onward and upward. If I see anything else exciting, I'll jump on it. Okay, bye, everybody.